Today I will discuss finding the square root by the division method. So previously you know how to find the square root using the prime factorization method. So here we will see how to find the square root using the division method. This method is very important because that will come in your higher classes as well. And you can find the square root using the division method. If the number is not a perfect square, then also you can find out. Okay, so this method is very important. So in the first step, what you have to do is to pair up the numbers. So you have to start the pairing from the unit digit. Okay, this is the unit digit or the ones digit. So from here only you will start pairing this number. So here we got one pair and here we got another pair. So how many pairs we got here? Two pairs. Okay, so that means in the square root the digit will be two digits. Okay, the square root will be two-digit number. What if we have three digits only? Then also pairing will start from the unit place. So here this is the first pair. Here 2 doesn't have a pair, so we got 2 only. So here also the square root have 2 digit. Okay, now what if we have 5? So then also you have to pair up from the units place. So this is the place. So we got how many pairs? 2 pairs and the third number as it is. Okay, so in this how many digit we will get in the square root? 3. Okay, so this way you have to do. Now we will see how to find the square root. Now in this method the first step will be same, that you have to pair up the number. Now this division is little bit different than the other division, normal division. So here you have to see the first pair. Okay, the first pair is 23. Now what you have to do, your divisor and quotient will be same. Okay, your quotient and divisor will be same. Now you know that 2 into 2 will give you 4. So now you have to see the nearest number which will give you 23 or some nearest number. Okay, so whose square gives you number closest to 23 will be 5 5 is 25, but that will be greater. So we will take the little one, that is 4. Okay, so 4 4s are 16. Okay, you will see. Now this thing I think clear. Whatever the divisor, your quotient and divisor both will be same. Okay, so here in 4 into 4 you will get 16, in 5 into 5 you will get 25. There is no number between these 4 and 5. So we have to take, which number we will take? This one, 4 into 4. Okay, because this one will be greater. So here we will write 4 and here also divisor, quotient both same, 4 4, and here we will write 4 4s are 16. Okay, and then we have to subtract it. So after subtracting this, what we will get? 13 minus 6 will be 7. Okay, and then in the normal division what happens? Only one digit comes down. But in division method, in square root, you have to take the whole pair downward. Okay, now the pair will come, all the pair will come. Okay, now this step I think is clear. Now the next step, in the next step what you have to do, that step is very important. So here whatever the number you have taken, here you have taken 4, so here again you have to write 4 and add this number. Whatever the number you will take here, the same number you will take here and you will add the number. So 4 plus 4 is how much? 8. So that number you will write here. Okay, now what you have to do, now we will take whatever number you will take here, the same number you will take here. Okay, these two numbers will be same. Whatever number you will going to put here, the same number you will put here also as well. Now here we will see which number will give you the answer. So here suppose in 4, now see 4, when we get 4 in 2 only, so let's see with 2, in 2 and 8 also. Okay, so we will see with 2. So if we will take 82, so we have to multiply 82 as well. So here what we will get? 164, but this number is less than that. So now we will take, what else we can take? We get 4 in 8 as well. So I'm taking 8. Okay, so it will be 8 it's a 64, and then 8 8 is 64, 64 and 6 70. So we got the same number. So here the number which we are going to write will be 8. So here also 8 will come, and the result we will get is 704, and remainder is 0. So what will be our square root? A square root will be 48. So from here we got the square root of 2304 is how much? 48. Okay, so this is the method to find the squares using the division method. Now let's see one more example, then it will be more clear to you. So here I have taken the number 7921. So pairing you will do the same way. Okay, and this thing you have known, this thing now you know that whatever number or the divisor and the quotient will be same in the first step. Okay, so now we will see 79 is closest to which number? See, 9 9s are 81, bigger. Okay, 8 you will take, so 8 8s are 64. So here which number we will take? So here we are going to take 8. Okay, so 8 will give you how much? 64. So 8 into 8 equals to 64. So here what we will get? We have to subtract these numbers. So we will get 9 minus 4 5, and then 7 minus 6 1, and what will come down? The 2 1 pair will come as it is. Okay, remainder came 1 5, but here after that 2 1 the whole pair will come down. Okay, now the next step, what we have to do? The next step, the number which is the divisor, the same divisor we have to add once. So it will be 8 plus 8 16. Okay, and now what we have to do? Now we have to write whatever the digit we will write here, the same digit will come here as well. Okay, so now we will check what can come here. So 1 we will see, 1 we get at the end of whose square? 1 square or 9 square. Okay, so if we will take 1, so we will get 161. So that is very very small than this number. So we will take 9 only. So 9 9s are 81. So what we will get? 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 8 62, and then 9 plus 6 will be 15. So we got the number. So the number is 51521. Okay, so that is the same number. So here the number which is going to become is 9. Okay, so 169, and the same number we are going to write here as well. So it will be 9 only. Okay, so now this will give you the result 1521, and that will give you the answer. So here you can say the square root will be 89. So here you can say that 7921 is the square of 89. So I hope this method is clear to you.